Si's Super Simple Recipes number 21. Pan fried fish. Now, I like a bit of fish, but the only piece I could get is this rather nondescript fillet. It's quite nice, but I've no idea what actual fish it is. Normally I would do this with some nice asparagus tips and some boiled potatoes, but once again Corona fucking virus has thwarted my attempts. I couldn't get any fresh veg in the local shop, and I'll be buggered if I'm going to the supermarket at the weekend. So these are tinned carrots, tinned new potatoes, and I've got some chopped fresh parsley out of the Herbie garden, and I'm going to cook the whole bloody lot in one pan because I just can't be bothered. Alright, the pan's heated. Let's get some butter in the pan. I'm going to use quite a bit here because I don't mind. We're going to end up with some parsley butter at the end. I'm going to quickly season the veg with some salt and pepper. The veg is going to take a little longer than the fish, so straight in with the veg. And I want to get just a little bit of colour into those, which may take a few minutes. La la la. Because they're in a can, they've already been cooked in an autoclave at the factory, so all we're really trying to do is warm them through and just get them to colour a little. Similarly with our piece of fish. The fish will only take a few minutes, really. But I do want it to colour. I don't like undercooked foods. I know you're supposed to slightly undercook fish, but I've never been a subscriber to that field of view. I much prefer mine to be cooked. Normally you can tell because the edges of the fish will start to turn opaque rather than translucent. Supposedly non-stick pan, of course. Yeah, those potatoes and carrots are just starting to take on a bit of colour now. And into there I'm going to put half of my chopped parsley. It's almost done now, so So we'll come back when that's ready to plate up. Okay, fish is done, veg is done. Size super simple, pan fried fish, job done.